Good evening all. This is Pitambarana Chutan Prashadi from PDM Advisors Private Limited. Now let us look into USD INR dollar index, Nifty and Bank Nifty support and resistance, and then we look today's grid line trading that was executed. So here you can see that USD INR has made a small candle here and it's in green in color, but since the super trend is flat, the chances of a big movement is minimum. Also see that these super trend values have started moving higher. That indicates that the strength of the movement has reduced. So I am expecting a support at this level, and if this level is breached, I am expecting the market to come down. So here you can see that it's hardly 50 paisa away from the support, and if this level is breached, the market can come to 80.9463, which is approximately 1 rupee down. Now if I look at dollar index is trading at on the brink, just like yesterday. It has been doing so for the past 3 days. So the close above 113.31 will bring that dollar index into uptrend. So we have to see where the dollar index closes today at the end of the day. And here you can see that these values have started moving higher. So if this level is if the market closes below 113.131, then again the market can come down. So that is a very important factor to see where it closes today. Now here you can see that the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones are trading a bit higher in slightly in green. So we have to see where it closes today at the end of the day. Now if I want to see the Nifty and Bank Nifty support and resistance, it will be very clear to that the market is showing that it is taking a support here, but this is wrong because yesterday this level was breached. This is the problem with TradingView. It doesn't consider yesterday's breach. Now if you see here the same trend in this particular chart, you can see that reversal very clearly. So this is the issue of TradingView, where the reversal was shown yesterday, but it did not materialize, and that is the reason why it is showing a support and not as a resistance. Actually now it's a resistance and the value is 17,386.53. So we have to consider that as the resistance. So we have 5 resistance and the only support at 16,549. Now if you look into Bank Nifty has two resistances and 4 supports. The support being at 38,281, 36,790, 35,645 and 34,500, and the resistance being at 41,487 and 43,338. So here you can see that Bank Nifty is making a sideways movement, so it will remain there. But since there are 4 or 5 days have elapsed, you can expect a big move on any given day. Now if I look into the if I look into this 5-minute chart of Nifty grid lines, you can see here that the market opened in between this red line and blue line, then it came down, touched this blue line, and without taking a stop loss it went up and hit the target today. So you had one trade and one target. In case of Bank Nifty, we will have to change the value. The Bank Nifty value is 38,925 and this is 350 points. Here you can see that in Bank Nifty's case, we had certain stop losses. The market opened in between this red and blue candle. It went to this red candle, sell was done, stop loss, second stop loss, third stop loss, fourth stop loss, fifth stop loss, 5 stop losses, and then the market moved higher and closed at 39,091.25, that is approximately 166 points. Now if you observe this in an Excel, we see here we have only one trade in Nifty with a target of 150 points and 5 stop losses, and one closed with 166 point, giving us a net loss of 83.75 or minus 2093.75 rupees, and the net gain is 5,406 if you add this Nifty profits. So here, because of this 5 stop losses, we have ended up in a small loss. Now those who are following the Excel, I have configured a new page here, pair trading of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So those who are interested in doing the trading of Bank Nifty and Nifty, pair trading, that is selling one and buying the other, you can use here, you can use this Excel to find which stock to sell and what to buy. So here if you see, this is the lot size of Nifty and Bank Nifty, this is the current price, and this is the maximum movement that has happened over a period of 1 year, and this is the minimum movement that has happened in over a period of 1 year. And now the value is at 118,633.75, which means it is around 30,000 rupees away from the max high. So, and if you see the current value, this is as on 11th of October, and this is the 12th October value. So you can see that the value has increased. So when the value increases, the action to be taken is that we will have to wait to see how much it is moving higher. So whenever it starts falling, you can initiate a trade with a view that if the market goes and makes a high of 145, you will be having approximately 25k M2M loss. If you are ready to take that M2M loss, you can buy it straight away, or you can wait and then buy when the market moves to a new high. So this will indicate only when to buy and which stock to buy and which stock to sell. Here it is indicating that sell stock B, that means you have to sell Bank Nifty and buy Nifty. Since there are only few days left in this expiry, so we would always recommend to do this in the month of November, so that you have sufficient time for the profits to happen. So it's a very simple strategy wherein you can find levels and then take a trade. I hope you loved watching this video, and if you feel that there is valuable content in this video, then kindly share it with your family and friends. Also note that I am not a SEBI registered analyst, and I am only trying to help fellow traders with simple strategies. Thank you for watching.